About 5 minutes ago, I saw Ariel out front doing something with a cage, or with the cages out by the street on the other side of the house. And so I guess she has been home all the time that they've been barking, and hasn't said anything until now. She just yelled at that dog to be quiet. She saw me outside. So maybe she thought I was being bothered, so she did tell him to be quiet. But it's still barking. She must be inside feeding them. She told them to be quiet and said, "Hey, you're going to get us in trouble." No, I just want to identify the dogs. I think Ariel, that's her car. The car drove around in front of the mobile home, so maybe they're taking some dogs or something somewhere, and that's why they're barking now. This isn't the normal barking. This is an excited bark that they're doing something, which doesn't bother me. It's not sustained. They have to do their work and their business to maintain it. But it's just barking at nothing all day that is annoying, or at night. This is unusual that they all do this. They used to always do this, but they don't do this anymore, with all of them barking crazy all the time. Ever since the tarps were put up, that did help that. But I cannot go out back because those other tarps are down. And the one tarp that on the left there, they didn't finish putting a tarp at the end, and dogs can see me there, and my husband, and they bark continuously, so I would appreciate the tarps being put up. But this is just part of their business, barking, so this isn't what I am complaining about. So I'll end it.